Welcome to our Digital Electronics for 𝐄𝐥𝐞𝐿 channel. Here is Mike speaking. Follow me and I am your shopping guide. I will introduce you a wonderful products. Let's start to introduce product-related information, pictures, and more information in detail. Also, welcome to go on our website. It is 1.28 cubic feet safe lockbox digital security safe with LED display solid steel construction with deadbolt lock for home hotel gun occasion. A layered space: 1.28 cubic feet inside space. Exterior measures H14.17 W15.75 D11.81. Interior measures H14.115.63 10. LEDs light. The internal LEDs light will automatically light up when the door is open. Removable shelf. Provide more flexible space. Mounting hole. Pre-drilled holes and hardware for mounting. You can fix the safe on the floor or on the wall. It can be well matched with all kind of home or office environment. Alarm system. For your security, violent vibration or 3 wrong password entries can activate the alarm system. You can enter the correct password to stop the beeps. Lock, electronic lock, and 2 emergency keys. 4 live door bolts and pry-resistant concealed hinges. We're programmable digital access. Uses 4 AA batteries, not included. The useful specifications are: if you need more detail and exact specification, please reach out 𝐿RKinc.com. Product dimension: H14.17 W15.75 D11.81. Internal dimension: H14.1 W15.63 D10. Packaging size: H17.72 W18.7 D15. Gross weight: 31.97 lb. Net weight: 27.56 lb. Material: cold rolled steel. Lock type: electronic key. Power source: battery. About digital electronics for 𝐄𝐥𝐞𝐿. Here you can find many useful video guide for latest household-related products. Each product video displays the main functions and important specifications about the product so that you can clearly understand whether the product can meet your needs and make a wise shopping decision. For bulk orders or customized products, please feel free to contact us via janetmgallagher50@gmail.com. Our channel is dedicated to directing and producing videos to help manufacturers and sellers to promote their products, brands, and videos. At the same time, we are looking for a large number of key influencers to bring you more audiences. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us to see more videos.